How to fix laptop lags after unplugging in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if your laptop lags after unplugging the charger, then you'll need to change some settings. So, let's dive right in. Go to the search bar and then you'll need to search for Edit Power Plan. So open it up and then once it opens up, you need to tap on Change Advanced Power Settings and then go to Processor Power Management, tap on the plus icon and then tap on Maximum Processor State and then you can see on battery it is set to 50%, so you'll need to change it. Just tap on it and then just put in 100 here and hit OK. So now your laptop will work in 100% battery and it will give you 100% performance even after unplugging. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.